Hi.
Hi, how are you? कैसे चल रही है लाइफ?
Very, very, very good. You want earphones? ऐसे ठीक है ना? You can hear me clearly now?
Yeah, totally clearly.
Okay. Just a sec. Okay.
So चेतना, कैसी चल रही है लाइफ आपकी? और आपके खास दोस्त तो बिग बॉस के अंदर हैं, तो उनके बिना कैसी चल रही है?
मेरी लाइफ अच्छी चल रही है एक्चुअली एंड क्वारंटीन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था बट अभी वापस से सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया है. आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग आल्सो सो आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड कि इतने टाइम बाद हम बाहर निकले हैं एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर हिम that he has gone inside. मैं जब वापस आई that time I got to know that he's going inside. It was a surprise because पहले तो कुछ idea नहीं था कि वो जा रहा है, but then मुझे बाद में पता चला and I'm excited, like, you know, because he always plays the game with all his heart, so it's nice to see it now. अभी तक तो मैं देख नहीं रही थी इतना, but now I have started following it.
ओके चेतना, हमने देखा कि विकास गुप्ता वो पर्सन है जो सीजन 11 से लेकर सीजन 14 तक कंटिन्यूसली आ रहे हैं. एक सीजन उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि अब ऐसा मतलब ये विकास गुप्ता चैप्टर 1, विकास गुप्ता चैप्टर 2, चैप्टर 3, चैप्टर 4, क्या इस तरीके से चैप्टर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं उनके?
हाँ, आई थिंक सी हमेशा जैसे आप कोई वेब शो करते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, तो उसके सीजन्स होते रहते हैं. अगर आप इंटरेस्टिंग हो, अगर आप ऑडियंस को अच्छे से एंटरटेन कर रहे हो, there has to be something in you that people want to watch you again and again, and in fact the channel is calling you again and again, so I'm sure he's doing great. And I am his very good friend, so I've seen, you know, whenever we go out, the kind of people, you know, they come to him and they tell him how much they loved his game, because I feel he's played it with honesty. And I know one thing about Vikas, that he's a very honest guy. He's like a child, you know. Whatever, if he feels bad or if he's angry about something, he would show it. He's not those double-faced people who would, you know, who would keep it in their hearts and who would, you know, react in a way. He is who he is, like right in front of you. I think that's one of his very good qualities, which a lot of people really, you know, appreciated. A lot of family people, a lot of old women I've seen, you know, they come to him and they're like, you know, they loved the way, with the honesty he has played, you know, whenever he's gone to Big Boss. So I think that's very, very nice. And मैंने वो देखा है अपनी आंखों से. And he has done so much else also, you know. He has headed MTV. He was a youngest MTV head. So उसने इतना सब कुछ किया है. He has produced amazing shows like Gumrah, like, you know, he is like an all-rounder. But Big Boss में जाने के बाद, people actually got to know who really he is, you know, maybe his soft corners, his angers. So all of that, you know, it's interesting. वो हमेशा ही कहता था, I've done much bigger things than just Big Boss. But क्या होता है, people जब आपको देखते हैं ना, वो तभी आपको समझ पाते हैं, मतलब, you know. So it's that.
Yeah, true. चेतना, इस सीजन की स्टार्टिंग में हमने विकास गुप्ता का नाम सुना था कि विकास गुप्ता जाएंगे. फिर उसके बाद ऐसी खबर थी कि सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला जा रहे हैं, और सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला गए भी थे. और जिस पर विकास गुप्ता का थोड़ा सा अपसेटिंग सा एक ट्वीट आया था कि मुझे मेकर्स ने पूछा नहीं इस बार. और ये भी खबर थी कि विकास गुप्ता कहीं ना कहीं नाराज हैं चैनल से कि उन्हें नहीं पूछा इस बार. और बाकी के कंटेंडर्स जो थे पास्ट के, चाहे वो गौहर हो या हिना हो या सिद्धार्थ, वो गए थे. फिर सिद्धार्थ ने विकास ने एक ट्वीट भी किया था कि दिस ईयर आई एम नॉट गोइंग एंड चैनल ने मुझे बुलाया नहीं. सो व्हाट यू थिंक, आपसे डिस्कशन हुआ कि क्या चैनल से वो थोड़ा सा अपसेट थे कि उन्हें नहीं बुलाया?
You know, so he told me he might be going. Then when other people went, ऐसा कुछ उसने react नहीं किया था, because I somewhere knew that he knows कि you know, maybe towards the end channel must have thought something, because he has been coming to Big Boss every year, so वो कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. So he has never felt really bad. I mean, I don't think so. वो थोड़ा सा he was little excited initially, but उसके बाद I never saw any reaction. He was very much into his workout, into his life. So I don't think so उसको किसी चीज का कोई इतना वो लगा होगा.
ओके, अभी विकास ने घर में एंट्री कर दी है, और कहीं ना कहीं उनकी थोड़ी सी सो कॉल्ड खास दोस्त अर्शी खान घर में एंट्री आ चुकी हैं. अर्शी और विकास जिस तरीके से लड़ रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से चीजें सामने आ रही हैं, व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस? इज इट ऑल लाइक?
पहले तो they are not so-called friends. I am his friend and I know she's not at all even close to being his
She's
friend,
very much,
because Vikas
concerned
had a
about
lot
her.
of people. Huh?
Yeah, she's telling in front of the nation ki Vikas is my friend, Vikas was my friend, Vikas was my good friend.
So
ऐसे करके.
I think then her definition of friendship is very wrong. Friendship is not like that कि आप किसी को friend कह रहे हो, फिर आप उसको इतना trouble कर रहे हो, उसको physically provoke कर रहे हो कि that person reacts in a certain way. आप ओवर एक्टिंग करके अपना गेम खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, बट दूसरे इंसान को आप अननेसेसरी प्रोवोक कर रहे हो. आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम देयर सीजन. कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. शी कीप्स ट्वीटिंग, शी कीप्स डूइंग समथिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू क्लियर शी इज नॉट एट ऑल हिज फ्रेंड. I know because he hardly has friends now. He has a very close group of people because he's gone through a lot. A lot of people have betrayed him. It has been to a point that me and him, whenever we discuss, we decided, we don't want to keep fake people in our lives at all. So matlab now he's very clear. He has very limited people who he roams around with, who at least doesn't call each other friends and trying to betray each other at the back. So वैसी वाली friendship का तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. I think अर्शी के dictionary में होगा, because the way she's saying we are friends but I am here कि मैं आपको trouble करने आई हूँ. So I think that's her game. That's how probably she thinks she's gonna stay in the house, because I don't think so उसके पास कुछ और ऐसा strong point है. She thinks that's what works, but it's stupid to see something like that, because a lot of people बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें देखने के लिए भी Big Boss देखते हैं. मतलब Jasmine is playing such an amazing game. There are tasks, so many things except just fighting and provoking someone कि वो आप पे हाथ उठाए, फिर चीजें खराब हो, फिर Big Boss involved. So I think all of this is over drama. That concept is gone. And she's just doing all of this drama just to gain some publicity or TRP. I simply feel that, and it's not needed.
Okay, and ये जो लड़ाई हो रही है, ये सीजन 11 की कहीं ना कहीं हमें जो है याद दिला रही है जिस तरीके से शिल्पा शिंदे विकास गुप्ता के पीछे पड़ी रहती थी, उन्हें इरिटेट करती थी. व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन? क्या अर्शी ने भी वही एक स्ट्रैटेजी, एक वही एक प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग कर ली है कि मैं विकास को इस तरीके से परेशान करूंगी?
Of course, we all can see that she's exactly doing that. She feels
right. She is doing that.
She's gonna gain publicity. It's pretty much visible. I mean, इतना साफ दिख रहा है. Whatever she's doing, it's so fake. एक इंसान के पीछे पड़ गई है जब से शो खत्म हुआ. I think for them, show was never over. That show continued outside, and again, someone's trying to live his life. He's playing such an amazing game. He won the card today. And वो अपनी intelligent और smartness से game खेल रहा है. But few people, they just want to, they just want to keep poking someone कि वो अपने गलत उसमें आए. But I will tell you one thing, Vikas will not overreact because he's not the same person. He has had all of this in his life. He has grown up from this, and I think वो काफी mature हो गया. This हिसाब से वो maturity से handle कर रहा है अपने आप को. I'm very, very proud of him. I think this is what life has taught all of us कि कभी-कभी कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, we have to just kind of ignore them because they really don't mean much.
Okay. चेतना, एक बहुत बड़ा कल के दिन एलिगेशन लगाया विकास गुप्ता के ऊपर कि तुम जो है एक्टर्स के काम को खा जाते हो. यू बेसिकली कोई काम होता है तो उसे हटा देते हो या कुछ भी करके उस एक्टर तक वो काम पहुंचने नहीं देते हो. व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस? एंड प्लस डिड यू एवर फेल्ट लाइक दैट कि ऐसा कुछ विकास ने कभी किसी के साथ भूले अनजाने में भी किया हो?
पता है क्या होता है, जब कोई इंसान बहुत अच्छा होता है और उसने लाइफ में लोगों के लिए बहुत किया होता है और लोगों को वो दिख रहा होता है ना, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो इतने जेलस होते हैं, वो ना उनके बारे में गलत चीजें फैलाते हैं ताकि उस इंसान की वो इमेज हो. जब से मैं विकास को जानती हूँ 9 सालों से, जब से उसने गुमराह बनाया, and he has made so many shows. He had at MTV. उसने कितने दोस्तों की हेल्प की है, including me. I'm also one of those people. Every time there is something, he would come up with something वो अपने friends के लिए, जिसको भी जानता है, he's someone, he has helped everyone. Like not even one person I know जो उसके आसपास हो जिसकी उसने help नहीं की है. Which he keeps saying also, I have done so much for people, I have helped people, but in return what I get that this man does this man does that. So which is very stupid, I don't know what kind of people they are. मतलब, someone's helping them, plus they talk shit about that person and they never appreciate. So which abhi usne thoda
हेलो हेलो चेतना, हेलो हेलो चेतना, सैम देखो तो ये क्या हुआ है?
उनका वीडियो फ्रीज हुआ है, आई थिंक नेटवर्क
अच्छा,
इश्यू है, तो थोड़ी
ओके,
देर में शायद ज्वाइन करें।
चल, हाँ आ गई, शी इज हियर।
Yeah.
या चेतना, या सॉरी,
Yeah.
वो वीडियो आपका
So
शायद freeze हो
whatever you're saying, it's completely false because I know at least 100 people who he has given work to, launched, and did so good to, and the number is like I think beyond that. So that is very very stupid wherever this has come from.
ओके ओके।
Yeah.
चेतना, एक लॉकडाउन के दौरान एक बहुत बड़ा बिग रिवोल्यूशन किया था विकास गुप्ता ने खुद, पोस्ट करके उनकी सेक्सुअलिटी के ऊपर जो पोस्ट किया था। डू यू थिंक कि इस वजह से लोग उन्हें ज्यादा टारगेट करते हैं?
I think because he's very honest, that is one of the reasons people target him. But it's his life, it's his choices, and
True, true.
he is a strong man to come out and accept it. A lot of people, they can't even accept it. So I am really proud at least he's accepting, and he's accepting whatever has happened. He's one person, अगर उससे गलती होती है ना, वो उसे भी accept करता है. That of a honest person he is. And I feel, you know, there are a lot of people who will think wrong about you, who would think right about you. And आपको बस you know you should do what you feel is right, and I don't think so हमें किसी की इतनी चिंता करनी चाहिए. You know, it's our lives. That's what I keep telling him also.
या घर में मन्नू पंजाबी भी आया है जो कि सीजन 10 में थे और वो पैसों से भरा हुआ बैग लेकर गए थे। इफ यू फॉलो दैट सीजन और नॉट, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, तो वो बार बार विकास गुप्ता को भी आपने देखा ही होगा कि किस तरीके से वो प्रोवोक करने की कोशिश करते हैं। अरे मास्टरमाइंड का गेम फ्लॉप हो गया, अरे मास्टरमाइंड ऐसा हो गया, अरे मास्टरमाइंड ने ये कर दिया। सो ये मास्टरमाइंड बोल बोल के लोग क्या उन्हें प्रोवोक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं घर के अंदर?
I think the other way around. Imagine he is so important for everyone that everyone is trying to do something or the other to him. So
Wow.
I think it's without even playing his game, he's playing his game, which is very cool. Like he's not even giving any reaction, and still there is buzz about him. Wrong or right, I don't care. But I think it's wonderful. Whoever has come from the previous season, they're targeting him being in his team is also very stupid. But that's what they think is the game. So, but I think he's doing wonderful. He doesn't need anybody, and वो अपना खेल रहा है, and he's very strong. Life has taught him a lot of lessons, and he's not the same person who was so weak, who would just you know कुछ भी बुरा लग जाता था उसको तो he react करता था. Now he is mature because he has seen people, he has seen their faces, he has seen everything now. So I think he's playing a wonderful game inside.
Okay. बिग बॉस ने 5 चैलेंज दिए थे विकास गुप्ता को और उनमें से 4 चैलेंज में से एक तो निकल गया था क्योंकि राहुल वैद्य घर से बाहर निकल गए थे, तो 4 चैलेंज उनके पास आ गए थे जिसमें 2 उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से प्ले किए। व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन? जिस तरीके से वो रात को लोगों को जगा दे रहे थे या फिर जिस तरीके से राशन का
he's so smart with that, you know, the way he
exactly
he has
so
made his way throughout.
Really.
Yeah, so उससे पता चलता है how intelligent he is. He's a writer, he's a producer. उसने ना he puts everything, जितने भी उसकी life के experiences हैं, he puts everything beautifully whenever he's playing the game. And now I can see how wonderful with his brain and mind. And something like Big Boss is a combination of your brain and mind. If you can't put both of it together, you're never going to sustain because आपको दोनों चीजें लगानी पड़ती है, which he is actually exactly doing what's needed, which is wonderful.
Okay. आपने जैसे बोला कि जैस्मिन इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ विकास गुप्ता और हमने ये शो में भी देख लिया है कि जिस तरीके से बोलते हैं, लेकिन आज के प्रोमो में कहीं ना कहीं एली की वापसी हुई है और एली कह रहे हैं जैस्मिन को, तुम्हें पता है ना कि उन्होंने बाहर तुम्हारे साथ क्या किया है। सो व्हाट वाज ऑल दैट थिंग? मतलब कि एली किस बात की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, आपको कुछ पता है इस बारे में?
I have no idea about that because as far as I know,
have you heard about something कि विकास और जैस्मिन के बीच में कुछ स्पैट हुआ हो या किसी तरीके का कोई झगड़ा?
No, I have never heard about that. He has always spoken very good about her. She's a very good friend of mine also. And as far as I know, there is nothing, no conflict has ever occurred. So I don't know what this is. We have to see it. What's this new thing?
ओके, डू यू थिंक कि विकास गुप्ता जो है अभी रुबीना के साथ अलायंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट कि रुबीना इज वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट की प्लेयर ओवर देयर, सो विकास और अगर रुबीना साथ मिलकर खेलेंगे तो कैसा रहेगा?
I think Vikas is strong enough for everybody, you know, I feel. And if I don't think so, he will try to do that. But if it's needed somewhere, he may. But I think वो अकेला ही काफी है. And everyone is playing a wonderful game. I think Rubina is strong. Then Jasmine is also playing a wonderful game. But कहीं ना कहीं आप वो team बना के वो सब आप थोड़े time तक ही कर सकते हो. But it's a game of individuality. What you are doing, what people are liking you for, what stands are you taking for right or wrong. It's a game of that. So I think teamwork doesn't work for a long time. Of course, you can sustain there for a while, but eventually it's a game of individuality.
ओके चेतना, मान लीजिए कि जब फैमिली वीक जो होता है उस दौरान अगर आपको घर के अंदर जाने का मौका मिले और विकास जी को एक मैसेज और साथ ही साथ कंटेंडर को बोलने का मौका मिले, तो आप किस विकास गुप्ता को क्या एक सलाह देंगी और साथ ही साथ जो इतने कंटेंडर हैं उनमें से किसको जो कहेंगे कि बॉस स्टॉप इट, विकास गुप्ता इज डिफरेंट?
See, अभी तक तो मैंने जितना देखा है, if I have to tell him to stay away from, which everyone knows is Arshi, because she's just trying to provoke him and not let him play the game, because you know, it's a game of your mind. If you're disturbed, if you are like, you know, upset about something, कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें bother करती हैं. So of course she'll be one person I'll tell him to really stay away from, which he is actually. Other than that, I have to really see now the game, because abhi tak, you know, it's just been abhi thoda hi time hua hai, so it's still time to understand the equations a little more if I have to go. So I will see us time pe kya situation hai and you know what I have to warn him for. But I will just tell him that whatever you're doing, being yourself, playing an amazing game, you just have to keep doing that. And he knows what he's doing. He's very, very smart for that. He knows what he's doing.
Of course I know.
Yeah.
चेतना, एक चीज जो हमने कल नेशनल टेलीविजन के सामने देखी कि विकास गुप्ता अर्शी को कह रहे हैं कि देख, हम दोनों अच्छे दोस्त हैं और हम लोग बाहर ही ये बात बोलकर आए थे कि हम एक दूसरे की हेल्प करेंगे. सो ये जो ऑल तमाशा हुआ घर के अंदर, इज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्क्रिप्टेड थिंग? बिकॉज विकास गुप्ता खुद ये बात बोल रहे थे अर्शी को कि हम दोनों ने डिसाइड किया था कि हम घर के अंदर जा रहे हैं तो एक दूसरे की हेल्प करेंगे.
Maybe I don't know about this, because I've never seen him and Arshi being interacting a lot. So maybe jab enter kar rahe honge, he must be like, chalo, whatever has happened in the past, forget that, and we're going inside as a team. So let's just, you know, come together and help each other and try to win it and play the game. He must have said it in that way, but Arshi must be having something else in her mind, because probably that's the way she thinks her game will, you know, get the publicity and get the little buzz. So I think she's just doing it for that reason. That's pretty much obvious.
ओके, जब उनकी एंट्री हुई थी तो एजाज खान ने, जो घर के अंदर वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्लेयर में से एक है, वो कह रहे थे कि मेरे ऊपर एक लड़की ने और मेरी फैमिली के ऊपर डाउरी का जो इल्जाम लगाया था, एक की प्रोवोकेशन के बाद लगाया था, एंड उन्होंने इशारा विकास को किया था. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ दैट?
I have no clue about that.
अच्छा, you haven't seen that? Okay. What one message will you give to Vikas fans? क्या बोलना चाहेंगी आप उन्हें?
I just want to tell VGK fans that they are amazing the way they are supporting him. They are always taking care of him. And I think वो हमेशा कहता है कि मेरी एक strongest family है मेरे fans, because there have been times he has been so alone and you guys have been there for him. So I just want to tell you guys, just keep up the support. आप उसको support कीजिए, and you guys know whatever he does it with all his heart and soul. I think that's why you guys are still there for him. And I just want to say that he's playing a wonderful game, and I just want him to stay strong and, you know, play the right game.
Thank you so much, Chetna. Thank you so much for this lovely interaction.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.